Alright, let's continue. In previous video we have discussed that how to use stream mode is equal to messages. Then we already saw that how to use stream mode is equal to values and updates. In today's video we are going to discuss about how to filter the LLM's response on the basis of different things, like on the basis of tags. Like if tags will be joke, then we want to print the response, and on the basis of nostream parameter. And we will also discuss that how to filter the response on the basis of LangGraph node. So without wasting any time, let's get started. I will copy this code and I will paste here. Here we are using GPT 5.4 mini. So I don't have this model. I will simply say I have Olama, that is Q1 2.5. If you have different model, then you can specify that one. I will simply copy and paste the model name here. And you may be noticed we have mentioned two tags. Here tags parameter is joke, and in this tags parameter is poem. And we have initialized two model. One name is joke model and another model name is poem model. And in our class state we have three parameter. One is topic, another is joke and poem. And it is our node, that is call model. We are saying topic will be state topic, and after that it will print writing joke. The interesting parts start from here. We are invoking our joke model, this first model, and we are saying a invoke, means we are invoking asynchronously, and we are saying writing a joke about this topic, and we are passing this config. So it is saying passing the config through explicitly is required for Python less than 3.11. So if we are using Python less than 3.11, then you can specify this config. Otherwise, if I will remove this, it is also okay. It is not mandatory if you are using Python 3.12 or greater version. After that, here we are saying poem model dot a invoke, means we are invoking our second model, and we are saying write a short poem about this topic. And we are returning joke will be joke response dot content, means this one, and poem will be poem response dot content, mean we are updating our state. So after running these lines of code, our joke will be updated and poem will also be updated with new content. And here we are creating the graph, and after that we are saying topic will be cats, stream mode will be messages, version will be v2. And here we are checking if chunk type is equal to messages. So we know that chunk data will return a tuple. One will be message and another will be metadata. And here we are checking if metadata tags is equal to joke, then print the content. So we know that we have two tags, one is joke and another is poem. So we are filtering the content. We are saying I just only want to print the tokens that are related to this joke tag. So let's run it. It is saying writing the joke, and it start writing the joke, and after that it is saying writing the poem. Means first of all it print this one, writing the joke, and after that it's saying writing the poem. First of all it print this writing joke, this string, then it start writing the joke or start printing the joke, then it print writing poem, this one, but it has not print the poem. Why? Because we told to the LLM, or we told to our code that if metadata tags is equal to joke, then you have to print it. Next we are seeing omit messages from stream. Use the nostream tag to exclude LLM output from the stream entirely. Invocation tag with nostream still run and produce output. Their tokens are simply not omitted in messages node. So what does that mean? Let's see it practically. I will simply copy this code, and here let's write nostream. I will change it to markdown, and I will paste the code. Here we are using LangChain Anthropic, so I will simply say from LangChain Olama import chat Olama, and similarly I will also write here chat Olama, and our model will be QN 2.5, we know that. And here model name, instead of model name there will be model. I will simply copy this and I will paste here. This with config tags will be nostream, this will remain the same. In this code we have three parameters, one is topic, answer and notes, and it is our first node that will say reply briefly about this specific topic, will pass the topic, and after that it will update this answer, this parameter. And then we will come to this second node, that is internal nodes. In this we are saying private nodes on state topic, means it will write the nodes on specific topic and store in nodes this parameter. And here we are creating our graph, and let's run it. Stream is an iterator that will iterate through LLM's generator. We know that generator provides us the response through yield. So here we are saying for chunk metadata in stream, if chunk.content, then just print the chunk.content, and will be empty and flush will be true. Let's run it. So it is saying AI or artificial intelligence refer to simulations, means it is printing the response, but after that now it is not printing the response, but it is still running. So here I will simply say print answer maybe, and similarly here I will say print notes. So you maybe notice it only print the response of this node, but it has not print the response of this internal nodes. So we have added this debug things, one is print nodes and there is print answer. So let's run the code again, and let's see the output this time. It is giving some error, it is print. Let's run the code, and this one also. So it is saying answer is AI or artificial intelligence refer to simulations, means it is generating this answer. So then it comes to this nodes, and after that it is not printing anything, but it is still running. Why it is not printing the response of this internal nodes, this internal model? Because we have specified tags will be nostream. If tags will be nostream, then it will not print the response, but it will save the response for its internal thinking or for its internal purposes. The question is where we are able to use this tag is equal to nostream. Sometime you may be noticed that the Anthropic agent or Grok agents using these techniques a lot, like they may be printing I am thinking, I am doing calculations, but it is not printing or revealing the internal content. So this nostream tag is for internal agent, it is not for ourselves or for users. Okay, let's move towards the next step. It is saying filter by node. To stream tokens only from specific nodes, use stream mode is equal to messages and filter the output by LangGraph node field in the stream metadata. So how to do that? I will copy and paste here. Here we are saying from LangChain Olama import chat Olama, and similarly here I will specify chat Olama. Our model is, we know that Q1 2.5. Here in our state we have topic, joke as well as poem, and we have two nodes, one is write joke and another is write poem. Here we are creating the graph, and we are saying for chunk in graph.stream topic will be cats, stream mode will be messages, version will be v2. And we know that if chunk type is equal to message, chunk data will return a tuple. We are storing the tuple in message and metadata, and here we are applying the filter. We're saying if message.content means if the content is present, and metadata LangGraph node is equal to write poem, this node, then you have to print the response. Otherwise you don't have to print the response. So I will remove this. So let's run it. So it is writing the poem. It is not giving us the response of this write joke, this node. So maybe you want to specify, I only want to filter on the basis of write joke. Then you have to type write joke. And let's rerun it. So this time it prints the response of this write joke, this node. So it is saying, why don't cat play the poker in the jungle? Because there are too many cheetahs. So yes, that's it. I believe now you know how to filter the LLM response on the basis of tags, nostream, and on the basis of node. So if you don't want to miss any future video in LangGraph, then don't forget to like and subscribe. See you guys in next video.